her flock, her life, her world, against the unforgiving cold.
At megas to 71 degrees Celsius, survival is a daily prayer.
But a greater chill.
Her precious snow sheep, vulnerable in the vast wilderness.
Every night she guarded them, her spirit unyielding.
Dawn broke, promising a rather day of vigilance. A desolate beauty, concealing ancient, primal dangers.
For generations, her people survived by its rules.
Tracks. Too many. Heading this way.
Not a lone hunter, but a pack. A great one.
The battle for her flock was imminent.
She reinforced her defenses, preparing for the inevitable.
The wolves closed in, their hunger sharpening the night.
1,000 eyes locked on their prey.
The first charge.
She met it with the strength of her ancestors.
Fear was a luxury she could not afford.
She fought with the wisdom of 90 winters.
Their terror fueled her defiance. A temporary respite, a fleeting victory.
Fire, an ancient ally against the darkness.
She became the shepherd, the guardian, the mother.
A bond forged in the crucible of survival.
Every inch fought, every trespass denied. A roar, born from the depths of her Yakutian spirit.
The long night was drawing to a close, slowly.
A new dawn, a promise of reprieve.
Defeated not by force, but by a spirit unbreakable.
A silent promise, kept against the odds.
Her body tired, her spirit victorious.
The harsh land, witness to her extraordinary strength.
A quiet moment of triumph, earned through grit and sacrifice.
These hands, guardians of life in the coldest realm.
Life continued, resilient as the South Asian woman who protected it.
The cycle of survival, never truly ending. The wild respected her as she respected it.
A true survivor, a legend in the land of ice.
She knew their movements, their hunger, their fear.
The battlefield, now quiet, whispered tales of struggle.
Preparation never ceased, for winter's challenges were endless.
A bond of trust, deepened by shared peril.
Every tool, a lifeline. Every skill, a shield.
Days turned into weeks, a fragile peace settling over them.
Her life, a tapestry of resilience, woven with every stitch.
Each sunset, a reminder of the night's enduring vigil.
The wild never truly sleeps, nor
She heard the call, the distant echo of a threat reborn.
the air grew heavy, a silent promise of winter's wrath. Ancient wisdom, applied with precision and patience. The stage was set for another night of defiance. She stowed ready, the guardian of the flock. She was a sentinel, her senses honed by a brutal life. 1,000 eyes, once again, surrounded her world. The second wave, fiercer, more desperate.
But she was a force, immovable as the frozen earth.
A relentless tide, testing her every fiber. Their innocent fear, a shield to her own. Every tactic, every trick, from a lifetime of survival. The cunning of the wild, met by human ingenuity.
Every breath, a battle. Every second, a victory.
The cost of survival, etched in blood and frost. Their frustration grew, their hunger unfulfilled.
An ancient call.
A sound that broke their primal focus, stunning them. Every second of peace, used for vital reinforcement.
The longest night of her life, stretched to its limit.
The tide began to turn, though victory was still far.
Their cunning matched, their flanking maneuver foiled. A cry that echoed her ancestors, a roar of survival.
The fight subsided, leaving her utterly spent. The flock, a living testament to her unwavering courage. Dawn, a radiant promise after the longest night.
She had faced the darkness and emerged with the light.
The vast landscape, once a battlefield, now tranquil.
Home, a sanctuary earned through hardship.
A staff, a silent sentinel, awaiting its next defense.
Rest, a luxury she had truly earned.
The warmth of hearth, a bastion against the biting cold.
Life's simple routines, resuming after monumental challenge.
Protected by spirit, strengthened by heritage.
Her legacy, living and breathing in the Yakutian snows.
A story whispered by the wind of an unbreakable spirit.
Life in Yakutia meant constant labor, even after victory.
The innocence of her flock, a constant motivation.
She knew this land, its beauty, and its unforgiving heart.
Even in the harshest cold, beauty finds a way to exist.
Each drop, a precious resource. Each step, a challenge.
In this vast solitude, her spirit shone brightest.
Passing down ancient wisdom, ensuring future survival.
The next generation, learning the lessons of the land.
A living legend, etched into the heart of Yakutia. Like the mountains, she stood unwavering, eternal.
Even in solitude, creativity and peace found a home.
A tribute to her flock, a symbol of her devotion.
Her story, a beacon of hope in the heart of winter. A routine of survival, imbued with extraordinary purpose. Every step, a mark of her enduring presence. She ventured forth, a master of her frozen domain. The whispers of the wind, carrying tales of endurance.
Connected to the land, drawing sustenance from its heart.
The timeless dance of life and the untamed wilderness. Her presence, a silent promise of protection.
A bond unbreakable. A love that transcended words. Beneath the Arctic moon, her legend continued to grow.
Each day's end, a moment of profound gratitude.
The hearth, heart of her world, fueled by her resolve.
Memories of the wild, forever etched in her spirit.
Respect for the hunter, born of shared struggle.
Her flock, her purpose, safe through the longest night.
A peace earned, preserved by an indomitable will.
With each sunrise,
her spirit renewed, unbreakable.
Her domain, conquered by courage, sustained by love.
The staff, a silent warrior, reflecting her strength.
A true shepherd, a guardian of life against all odds.
Her story, a legend told across the frozen tundras.
Even winter's fury could not bend her will.
Hands that protected, endured, and inspired.
She is the spirit of Yakutia, eternal and unyielding.
1,000 wolves, 1,000 trials, faced and overcome. The 90-year-old woman, the guardian of the snow sheep. A true Yakutian survivor.